Hello to all the cute little friends. Welcome to Fun with Painting. Today's video is all about drawing a handsome turkey. It can be your coming Thanksgiving drawing project. So let's get started. We will start with drawing the hat first. Here I'm trying to draw the hat a little bit inverted. Now draw two small circles for the eyes. Now let's start making a bigger circle, which is the face of the turkey. Now I am drawing the nose by joining two triangles opposite to each other. Now the most interesting part is the snout. Do you know what is the function of this snout? Well, the answer is they help the turkey to grab the attention of a mate. Finish drawing the face now and start drawing the body. Here comes two legs now. We are almost done, but don't you think something is left? Yes, the most significant and vibrating part is the feathers of a turkey. Try to draw the feathers as much decorative as you can. Now I am trying to decorate the hat a little bit more. Let's start coloring. I'm gonna make the hat black with a yellow decoration on it. Now I am coloring the body with brown. We'll color the beak and the legs yellow. And the snout is obviously red. And now the rest of the body part, that is the feathers, you can make it as colorful as you want. I am using the fall colors only as Thanksgiving is a symbolic fall festival. Our Mr. Handsome Turkey is almost ready to gobble. Hope you all like the video. If you like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please do share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.